Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications like this. Just from the top, swipe down, extend the list by swiping on it once more, and this will show you a list of toggles right here. One of them should be Do Not Disturb. Now, if you don't see the toggle, which either I am blind or it's not added, then we can tap right here on this little box, and this will show us toggles that are turned off. And yep, there it is, Do Not Disturb. So I can just tap on the plus, it will get added, and now I have access to it whenever I need it. So once you have it visible right here, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the Do Not Disturb mode actually functions. So just go to the settings right here, change them to your liking, like allow notifications from apps and whatever, allow messages from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one, allow calls from same, and a couple additional options. So go through them, set them up how you want. Once you have done so, we can now focus on schedule. So right here, once you tap on it, as you can see, there is one pre-made called Sleep. It starts at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. So if you want, you can utilize that. You can also change the parameters of it, so it can start at different time and end at different time, and also you can change the days of the week. By default, it's every day, but you can also create a completely new schedules by tapping on the plus button, and you can have multiple set and multiple used at the same time, meaning multiple can be enabled, but for instance they will be turning on at different days of the week and the different times. So that's one way you can utilize your Do Not Disturb mode with the schedule, and if you're planning to do so, just make sure that it's toggled on in here. That's all you would do and nothing else. But for everybody else who wants to just use their Do Not Disturb mode occasionally, once in like, I don't know, a week, just at random times, then once you set it up and you want to use it, find the toggle, tap on it, select turn on, and now it's enabled. So it's going to be running in the background and changing all the parameters for like calls and messages as you have set it up, as long as it's enabled. And you do want to remember about it, because once you're done with it, you most likely want to turn it off. Otherwise, it will be running indefinitely in the background. And to turn it off, all you do is just find the toggle once more, tap on a toggle, and it will turn it off. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.